morning, everybody. Here we are in Tulsa, ready to start our big day today. We've got to find tyres for my bike and hopefully make Dodge City, which is like a long way away, 5 hours of fairly boring highway riding, but we do need to take up time. So Damien's feeling a little bit seedy today, so if there was a day we needed to find coffee, it's today. But I don't feel sorry for him at all. He's suffering because, as you will see in a second, he had a huge night. While I was editing, he remained in the pool drinking away, and then decided around 3 hours later, I'm all dressed up ready to go out because we were going into the city. He rocks up pissed as a newt. I can't even remember last night. Anyway, here's a little bit from last night when we had a shit meal in the diner. Everything was closed except this one fast food restaurant at this casino. It was crap food. Anyway, he devoured the lot and my dinner. And then he decided he'd throw $20 down the throat of a poker machine. Anyway, here it is. Damien's going to have a go at the machine. Damien's pissed because he spent 3 hours in the pool drinking beer on an empty stomach.
Never. Not me.
I got all dressed up into the hotel waiting for him to come up. Damien's putting $20 in. We don't gamble, but we're in a casino. We're giving it a crack, and I've chosen the buffalo one because it's fucking buffalo. He's so pissed. He staggered into the room. He can't string 2 words together.
Ooh, I can string 2 words. It says hello.
Have you blown the $20 already?
Yes.
No. Have you spent it all? Is it all gone?
No. Whoa, I've got a World Cup.
Oh, let's get it over with. Let's go back to our room. He needs to go to bed. We haven't won anything. What do we win? 65 cents. That's bullshit. Come on, let's get it over with. I'm bored already. How do people sit at these things all day and put hundreds, thousands of dollars in?
Where's the grand? Winners are winners.
What did we win?
Oh yeah, it's gone.
Okay, cash out. $5.
6.
6. You won $6.60.
That's around about $12 Australian.
Yeah, but you put in $20 American, which is about 35 Australian. Damien's been chatting, so I had to start up to indicate that we've got to go. We don't have any time today. I don't know if we can find a tyre and get it fitted quickly, but whatever we get done today, we've still got 5 hours of riding ahead of us in 100-degree heat in nothing, so he needs to find coffee. He's so hungover, let me tell you. I'm making him pay. So the boys are going to give me a new front tyre. The police officer's pulled me over. He's got a lot of questions about what's going on here, right?
Yep. Everything's got a story, I'm sure.
It has.
I wish I had time to hear it.
And am I illegal or legal in this country?
I don't see anything illegal about it.
There you go.
Yeah.
In Australia, that'll be
In Australia, it's another story. I love watching other people ride her, said the barmaid to the bishop. The what does?
The license plate.
Oh, I don't know. That's the same. New South Wales and Victoria.
Okay. The plastic piece that was over it looks like it's got louvers on it, so you might be able to.
Oh no, there's lines there, but it's no, we can't
okay.
do that. No, that's a good idea though.
No.
He's one of the few Americans that reads your news every day.
Do you
Like
read Australian news?
The daily news.
The daily news.
The British, English, and Australian.
There you
every day.
go. And you've been making coffee for how long here?
I've only worked here since November.
Right. Is this your business? Or?
No, we're in business to employ people that have special needs.
Oh,
so
great.
Autism, Down
How
syndrome, brain
fabulous.
injuries, that sort of thing. So that's why we're here.
Well, he's a coffee snob, Out of 5 stars, what do you rate this coffee?
4.8.
4.8. You're up there. One of the high scores.
That's a good
High score. Going to be a good day. I base the day on how good his coffee review is. Dodge City tonight, then Colorado. It's now been nearly 3 hours. They've got a front tyre but not a back tyre, and I needed new front brakes. So it's coming up to 12 noon. It's stinking hot, and we have 5 hours of just nothing riding along a highway to get to Dodge City. Haven't booked accommodation yet, but I've found a really cool place. It's just going to be one of those long shit days. We just got to deal with it. I needed that tyre. There's no way it would have lasted any longer. And, you know, my front brakes were getting quite close. So, all in all, hopefully it's ready soon. So I've got to get going. It's so hot. Right, we're on our way. New front tyre, new front brakes, full safety check, $480 US, which is about 700 Australian. I think that's about average. I've just had to go for a black tyre, no white walls. They didn't have any, but I actually don't mind it, all black, really. Just to let you know, we're at the Come and Go petrol station. We're 1 hour into our 5-hour ride. It's stinking hot. I'm going in now to wet my vest and get some ice. It's an unusual name, don't you think? In Kansas, Dorothy, Toto. We've just crossed over past Wichita. Another good song by Glenn Campbell, Wichita linesman. Glenn Campbell was an extraordinary genius, musical genius. You know, he could, as well as a guitar and being a singer-songwriter, you know, he played the bagpipes, the banjo, piano, every instrument he could play. I actually booked him to perform at this theatre I managed. He was amazing. He had his daughter with him at the time as well. She's another musical genius. Anyway, we're past Wichita. We're in Kansas, having left Oklahoma. There's been nothing to film, as you have seen, or didn't see. It's over 40 degrees. We're very hot. We're probably just over halfway to Dodge City. It's now about 4:30, I think. My phone is overheated and I can't see anything. So we're going to stop up here, dunk our vests in water again, have a drink, and do the last, I don't know, 200 kilometres to get to where we've got to be by about 7 o'clock. I've got ice. We're all wet. Let's go, let's finish this.
You come knocking on my front door, the same old line you used to use before. I said, yeah, well, what am I supposed to do? I don't know what I was getting to. So you had a little trouble in town.
Dodge House, the home of the Wild West cowboy. Let me see what they got going on. Well, we're here at the hotel, and I booked. But interestingly enough, in America, in Australia, you get, if you book direct, you'll get it cheaper than what Bookings.com do. But over here, they can't do it. So we don't. But look at this beautiful place. And there's a pool, which we'll get in. But again, nothing's open. It's Tuesday night. Their bar's not open. Nothing's open. But look at this. They've got a volleyball court. All the rooms are up there. There's the general store and restaurant, which is not open. Look, horse and carts. That's cool. And a pool. By the pool. Indoor pool. Very cool. And I've met two ladies from a site called, what's it called?
Women in the Wind.
Women in the Wind. And this is
Jody.
Jody and Stacey. And there's a whole bunch of these ladies coming in the next couple of days. Sadly, I'll miss everybody.
Yes,
but
92
we've got
women.
two.
Yep.
And look at the this is amazing.
beautiful? Yeah.
Did you know about this place?
Yes.
So
Yep.
you've been here before?
Our group has, yeah.
Oh, okay. It's fabulous.
Yeah.
We've got to get alcohol though.
Yes.
Right, here we go. Okay. Lights on. This is our room. Sort of old school, but it's okay. This was, I don't know, nearly $90 with taxes, which is about 130. Okay. Oh my God. The wrecks. Okay, we're going find some food in this town and maybe have a swim in the indoor pool. That was a big ride. Tomorrow is another big ride. We're going to try and make Colorado Springs, which is another 5 to 6 hours. We've been out for a fabulous Italian meal with these lovely ladies. What a great night.
Absolutely. It was fun.
Totally unexpected, great night. We're now going back to our hotel where we all met, and that is the end of tonight. We had Italian